In this video, I want to discuss about MLM business versus affiliate marketing. I will show you the pros, the cons, and I will help you decide which business model is best for you. Please make sure you are stick around because I will give you valuable information. Hi there, my name is Mihaela Jeku. Welcome to my channel, Passive Income. If you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do so because with this channel, I'm helping newbies, especially to make money online. So let's dive into it. What is an MLM business? It's a multi-level marketing, which technical it's a pyramid scheme where your income depends of your personal sales and how much you grow in levels in a period of time. Now I'm speaking from my personal experience. I did tried New Skin for over 6 months, and this is New Skin business in a few pictures. As you can see, I brought many products. I spent around £1,000 on these products so that I can have content to post on my social media accounts and also to bring results so that I can share my personal experience with these products in order to get customers. So how can you earn income from your personal sales? Well, you need to promote 1, 2, or whatever, how many products you want from one company only. You need to speak directly with these people about the products. You need to make videos with these products. You need to post daily results, and you have to buy the products so that you can create content, and that's a must. You have to place orders directly. You even need to meet with customers to give them the orders. You even need to instruct these customers how to use the products, and you need to listen to their complaint and deal with them. So why didn't MLM business work for me? From my point of view, it's a time-consuming method to earn money online. I have a full-time job, a mother of a 4-year-old daughter, and I have the housing stuff to take care of. And my idea of making money online is different. So here is how you actually sell the products on your own. As you can see, this is you, and you literally are speaking directly with every single person, and you are trying to convince them to buy your products, and you get commission for each sale. And in this example, I want to show you how you can earn money by growing in level in a period of time. So basically, you have to build a pyramid scheme underneath you so that your commission grows. This is you on top of the pyramid, where you are selling alone the products, and you also need to be focused every single day in bringing more people into this business so that they can do the same as you. And the hardest part of it is that you actually need to instruct these people. You need to train them so that they can have results. Okay, so what is my idea of making money online? Creating an ecosystem that will help me to earn money without my direct implication, and that's passive income. To allocate 1-2 hours in building the business, make it work automatically. I'm focused on investing in myself. I'm not focused on selling the products directly. Make my business visible organically. Don't spend money on ads. And with that being said, affiliate marketing is the answer because you don't have to buy a product to sell it. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to keep a stock. You don't have to deal with customers directly. You don't have to deal with deliveries, refunds, complaints, or customer service. You can do it in your spare time, 1-2 hours a day. You can create a system that will bring you money passively. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are recommending someone else's product or service and you get paid in commission for each sale. So you are the middleman. Now, you are wondering what products you need to recommend. And I hope this pictures is explaining very well that it's whatever you want, basically, whatever is out there that has an affiliate program can be promoted by you. And in order to choose the right product, you should ask yourself, What do you use on a daily basis? What passions do you have? Do you like to travel, cook, take pictures? What hobbies do you have? How much do you want to make from your affiliate marketing business? And that's a very important question, and I'm going to explain you why. So, in order to choose the best product, you should have in mind that the main niches currently are wealth, health, and relationships. So you should choose a product in one of these niches and as your main core offer. You need to make sure that is a high ticket offer with a high commission. Usually in affiliate marketing, you're gonna find commissions between 35% and 75%. Some of them are gonna charge you as a monthly fee because you are their affiliates. Some of them are totally free. Personally, I'm working with a platform that gives me 75% commission and I'm not charged any monthly fee. In the same time, you need to build an automated system that will bring you income passively. And also, you have to create content on social media with your offers. And to be more precise, what you need to do is basically this, which is the affiliate stacking ecosystem, where basically you are using a software that helps you to create a sales funnel where you need to collect emails, to send them to a bridge page, and afterwards to a main offer. You are using free traffic or paid traffic from different platforms such as Google, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok to drive traffic to this automated system. Now, you may ask yourself, why is it important to collect emails? Well, emails, a list of emails, is basically your main asset. And I will explain you why. If, for example, one of those platforms are going to be shut down or something is going to happen with your account, you're not going to have a business anymore. And that's in seconds. But think about it. If you have an email list of 10,000, 20,000 people that you can email them different emails with whatever offers you are promoting, you have a business. You still have a business because they're going to be able to buy through those emails. Now, how did I learn all of this? Well, I decided to invest in myself and paid for the only program that covers every aspect in affiliate marketing. And that's Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 program, the affiliate stacking ecosystem by Jonathan Montoya. He basically introduced the stacking ecosystem in affiliate space. And I declare it by far the best just because I've been in different other programs who didn't teach me almost anything in how affiliate marketing really works. So since I met him and I joined his community, I was able to actually have results pretty soon just after I enrolled and I started to go through his program. So facts, what happened, I started to have leads straight away. Afterwards, I took my time and go through different models which I wanted to focus on, and I started to have sales. And for me to have 3 sales in my very first week after I started, it was a huge deal because I've been struggling to do affiliate marketing since June 2021, and I failed many, many times and even lost money with different other stuff that actually doesn't work. And guess what else happened? I started to have my 1-day K, and that's huge. To have such as results, it's not easy. I mean, do not expect to get rich overnight. This is building a business. This is learning the necessary skills, the right process, and start implementing this process. And once you do that, yes, you start to have results like this. So as I explain, it's not that easy. I mean, it's a simple process that you need to follow. You need to learn, implement, and take actions, require commitment, seriosity, focus, and investment. It's not happening overnight. It's a business, not a lotto ticket. So you should have this in mind before you are joining. Now, question: are you ready to learn and succeed in your affiliate marketing business? If the question is yes, you should check out my giveaway. I will put the link for this program down in the description below. So if you decided to join us, and I would recommend you to check it out, I provide you my 3 high quality bonuses, which is one-on-one mentorship with you. I will guide you step by step through this program and help you to get your investment back. I will also provide a review on your social media accounts such as Facebook and TikTok, and also give you access to all my resources. I will have weekly Zoom calls with you just to check your progress and discuss any situation that you are facing so that we can find solutions for it. How you can have access to those? You just simply send me an email to office@mihailarecommends.com, and also you can get in touch with me and send me a message on my Facebook page. This is my official Facebook page. I will recommend you to just send me a direct message and not necessarily to add me as a friend, because I have so many friends requests right now and it's very hard to actually decide which one to accept. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and speak to you soon.